Bibimbap. The word means mixed rice in Korean, but it's so much more than that. This dish brings together vibrant colours, bold flavours and nourishing textures in one beautiful bowl. Crisp vegetables, seasoned beef, runny egg yolk, and the fiery kick of gochujang sauce. Everything is mixed together over warm rice until every bite is rich, comforting and deeply satisfying. Today I'll show you how to make authentic Korean bibimbap at home, serving 4 people. For the rice, 2 cups of short grain white rice, uncooked, and 2.5 cups of water. For the beef, 300 grams of beef mince or thinly sliced ribeye, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. For the vegetables, 1 medium carrot julienne, 1 medium courgette or zucchini julienne, 200 grams of spinach leaves, 200 grams of bean sprouts, 200 grams of shiitake mushrooms sliced, 1 tablespoon soy sauce for the mushrooms, 1 teaspoon sesame oil for the mushrooms, and a pinch of salt. For the topping, 4 large eggs fried sunny side up, 1 sheet nori seaweed cut into thin strips optional, and toasted sesame seeds. For the sauce, 4 tablespoons gochujang or Korean chili paste, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon honey or sugar, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon garlic, finely grated. Start with the base, rice. Rinse 2 cups of short grain white rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and ensures fluffy grains. Add 2.5 cups of water, bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer and cook covered for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it steam for another 10 minutes without lifting the lid. The rice should be soft, sticky and perfect for bibimbap. In a bowl, combine the beef mince or thinly sliced ribeye with soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, brown sugar and toasted sesame seeds. Mix well and let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. Stir fry in a hot pan for 5 to 6 minutes until browned and caramelized, then set aside. Bibimbap is all about balance, each vegetable prepared simply to highlight its natural flavor. Carrots. Sauté quickly in a little sesame oil with a pinch of salt until just tender but still bright. Courgette. Do the same, cooking lightly so it keeps a slight crunch. Spinach. Blanch in boiling water for 30 seconds. Drain, squeeze out water and season lightly with sesame oil and salt. Bean sprouts. Blanch for 1 to 2 minutes, drain and season with sesame oil and salt. Mushrooms. Stir fry in a drizzle of oil with soy sauce and sesame oil until golden and savoury. Keep each vegetable separate. Presentation matters in bibimbap. In a small bowl, mix gochujang, sesame oil, honey, rice vinegar and grated garlic. Whisk until smooth and glossy. This spicy sweet sauce is the soul of bibimbap. Place a scoop of warm rice at the bottom of each bowl. Arrange the vegetables and beef neatly on top, keeping each ingredient in its own section, like slices of a rainbow. Fry eggs sunny side up and place one on each bowl. Sprinkle with sesame seeds, add seaweed strips if using, and place a generous spoonful of the sauce in the center. Bibimbap is meant to be mixed. At the table, break the yolk, drizzle with extra sauce, and stir everything together until the rice is coated and the flavors mingle. Crisp vegetables, savory beef, spicy sauce, and creamy yolk. The perfect harmony in a bowl. And that's how you make authentic Korean bibimbap for 4 people. A dish that's as beautiful to serve as it is satisfying to eat. Try it at home and let me know how your first bowl turns out. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your homemade bibimbap.